Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food tray assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new fresh food tray assembly. This tray assembly is located at the bottom of the fresh food compartment. It easily slides in and out. The main reason to replace the tray is if it's cracked and jams. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Alright, I'm going to pull out the drawer, and then I'm going to lift it up, and we can remove it. This is the old fresh food tray assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the drawer, and I place it on the rollers there, and lift it up. Now we can slide it back in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.